Alright, 10 o'clock Saturday, everything's running. Parker is pre-treating the driveway for a concrete cleaning. And we're cleaning all this decking. It's really just the whites, the trims again, but we're cleaning the decking, the driveway, and probably the furniture as well. And the shed. So deck's kind of nasty. We're just gonna house wash it, let this dwell while I wash the house and the canopies, and go from there. We're working in the Outer Banks today. All right, after just soaping, this deck has, most of the mold has come up. I need to rinse it. This back side I got all done, the shed's done. Furniture's dwelling. I just rinsed this side right here. I just shut my water off, letting Parker's tank refill a little bit. Awning there. I'm using the X-Jet after a house wash mix treatment. Basically dead, kind of. Preferably would have been better if you put a 2 or 3% mix on there, but my soft wash system's acting up, so. House wash, X-Jet rinse, and then Parker's tank's filling up with water. House wash on this deck for like 15-20 minutes dwell. Almost all the algae came up. Rinsing it off, moving on. All right, take a second, waiting on water. That thing is struggling to catch up, but it's all right. I haven't washed this side yet. We're having flip-flop tanks, which one's getting water. So I'm waiting right now. I am working my way, rinsing this deck from the back side so my feet don't get it dirty while I'm rinsing it. And yeah, I'd say we're about halfway done. Only job for the day, but I think we're gonna go get a couple estimates afterwards on some nice size work, so. Alright, just before 12, and I am putting a final post treat on this concrete, just so it stays clean longer. We do a post treat on every driveway that we clean. And we actually advertise it as such, you know. You're not only going to get your driveway clean, but you're also going to get a free post treatment afterwards. I mean, that is a free post treatment. That's a heck of an upsell there. So we're downstreaming 12 and a half, and we're about to wrap up. Go give some estimates. This is our first estimate stop at, and this is 8 rental complex. This is the first building. All the decks and all the siding. It's a pretty good sized building. We're back here. This road keeps going back down here for another quarter mile. And there's 8 of these units. Here's the first one. There's another one there behind it. Wait, now that might be across the road. No. That is a unit. That is another unit. So decks and it right here. Most of it's just cobwebs. A little, not too much algae, but it's just bugs and spider webs mostly. So we're gonna keep on looking around here and try to do some math and come up with an estimate. See if we can even tackle this job. All right, here's some more. It's a little indoor pool. There's another unit. This one, and then that one down at the back sits on the ocean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's got 5. I'm not sure about those. This one's a big building. This one stretches the whole length. Five decks here. Here's the back side right here of that building that sits on the ocean. So all the deckings, spindles, whole 9 yards. Right here on the ocean.